Hello everyone, welcome to TN Knowledge. Today in this video, I am going to share with you about how to overcome laziness. Okay, let's start. What is laziness? Laziness is a habit rather than a mental health issue. It may reflect a lack of self-esteem, lack of discipline, low self-confidence, or lack of interest in the activity. Laziness may be caused by a decreased level of motivation. How to overcome laziness? First, set attainable goals. Setting smaller attainable goals that will get you where you want to be without overwhelming you along the way. Smaller goals will help to boost your self-confidence and increase your self-esteem. Second, don't be a perfectionist. Being a perfectionist is a true weakness and addiction that can seriously deter you from achieving your best. Perfectionism creates unnecessary stress and worry. Third, use positive self-talk. Many studies have shown that positive self-talk has helped to reduce laziness. Fourth, set deadlines. Setting deadlines helps to challenge yourself to finish a task within a particular time period as it creates sense of urgency. Fifth, learn to love what you do. Doing what you love can bring new levels of fulfillment into your work and life and will allow you to enjoy working where you are. You can bring more of you and your passion into your work, change your perception and improve your work habits. Sixth, exercise is a way to get rid of laziness. Just few minutes of exercise can increase energy levels, improve mood and reduce anxiety and stress. Seventh, sleep. Aim to get the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. 8. Motivation. Lack of motivation can be also reason for laziness in some cases. Strengthen your motivation through affirmations, visualization, and thinking about the importance of performing your task or achieving your goal. 9. Associate with successful people. Watch successful people and how they do not let laziness win. 10. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself when job is done is great confidence booster. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for new updates.